Oxy's just like, his mouth is always just like,
so hyper.
he's really, really
Did you tell?
Yeah, well, Duke's teeth, they are pretty big, like chiclets.
Well, I know.
Where's Princess? Princess, where are you?
She's over here.
Everybody's over there?
It's like a doggy.
Everybody's over there? Yes, because that's where Duke is, because Duke's Mr. Popular.
Man, he's like the
Look at Maddie. Maddie's like...
They're never afraid of big dogs. It's so funny.
Well, it's because she's the queen. She's the one that rules the house.
You're so funny.
Get him. Get him, Maddie.
So
She just doesn't do that to Lewis. I mean,
Lewis.
really
Hi,
doesn't
Bubba.
like Duke.
Hi, how are you? Oh,
Break Lewis.
Dude, can I not say hi to Lewis?
Personal space, and Duke's right here.
Princess. Princess.
But the thing is that when Duke
Hi,
is
Lewis.
calm and
Hi, Duke.
out,
Princess.
and Maddie's cold,
Where are you?
she will
Princess.
keep warmth in his body.
Hi, baby. It's your birthday party. Oh, hey, there's Duke, right in the camera.
You ready for cake? You ready for cake?
Princess.
That's yours,
Hi,
child.
Piglet.
Hi, Mr. Piggy.
You guys sure have a lot of kids, man.